As soon as we part ways, she just doesn't text me. Leaves me on red. She started distancing a lot.
I'm gonna start with your Instagram, okay? I checked out your Instagram.
Okay.
Your Instagram is a little weird. You have selfie after selfie after selfie after selfie on your Instagram. And I want an answer now. A good one, an authentic one, an honest one. Why are you posting the picture you're posting?
Sounds good.
Why do you post what you post? I want you to ask yourself the kind of questions that are, why am I doing the things I'm doing? I'm starting here because life is connected, okay? How you are anywhere, that's how you are everywhere. If I see a girl who her only thing on the wall is selfies, yeah, she might be an IG model, or she might be the kind of person I would never date. Would other people be like, oh, that's that person. That person loves swimming. That person loves meditating. That person loves making funny videos.
Yes?
Excuse me, let me speak out. Okay, thank you. That person loves modeling. That person loves horseback riding. That person loves to go to the movies.
That's gonna make the fucking difference between winning and losing.
That person loves to lift weights. That person loves Marvel movies.
Wakanda forever!
You see? Someone posts all of that. The girl looks, she's like, damn, I want to date that guy, of course. Who doesn't love Marvel?
Captain? Big fan of Spider-Man?
Yeah, we'll talk about it later.
Who's not athletic, has amazing friends, has girls all around them at parties. This is amazing. Let me get with that guy.
Shut up. You had me at hello.
You found me on TikTok?
Yeah, that's right.
You texted me on Instagram about, I think, a girl?
That's right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Like, you have a question, right?
Yeah. Okay, so we would see each other at work. When we meet after work in person, it's great. You know, we do the cute stuff, relationship stuff. As soon as we part ways, she just doesn't text me. Flat out doesn't text me. Leaves me on red. And before all this happened, when we barely started talking, it was really good. You know, we would text all the time. We would have phone calls for a long time. She started distancing a lot.
You guys have sex already? Or?
No, we haven't.
Okay.
We haven't at all.
How old are you?
I'm 21.
How old is she?
20.
How long have you been working together?
Since I saw her, a couple months.
2 months?
Yeah, maybe 3 months around there.
Where do you guys work?
It's like a kitchen.
Okay. Have you ever thought that you're too available?
What do you mean?
I'm gonna start with your Instagram, okay? I checked out your Instagram, okay?
Okay.
Your Instagram is a little weird.
Huh.
And I'm just saying things in a positive way for you to like learn. But you have selfie after selfie after selfie after selfie on your Instagram.
Yeah.
And you have selfies that are almost identical, and then you have some other selfies where you do some different faces. Nowadays, Instagram is a representation of your life, right?
Yeah.
It gives you a different impression. Like, it gives me a different impression. Like, I checked out your Instagram and I was like, what's going on? But you probably don't know that, and you don't have that intention. I know you don't have that intention.
Yeah.
And I don't even want you to change it if you don't want to change it. I'm not asking you to change it. I just want to show you what kind of picture your Instagram gives. Wait a second. What do you think it gives the impression if you have a lot of selfies on your Instagram?
Maybe I'm too self-centered.
That could be one thing.
My ego's too high. Maybe.
No. Here's a question. Why do you post them?
I really don't post much, and if I post anything, it's that.
But why? I didn't ask if you.
Yeah.
I didn't ask if you post much. I asked a different question. You just don't want to answer the question.
I just don't have an answer. Hold on.
Well, you must have a certain thought and intention when you post a picture. You got to have an answer for that, because no one's forcing you.
Yeah, you're right. That's true.
Why do you post what you post?
I think it's because I don't see much interest in everything else that's going on.
Yeah, but you're posting specific things. Like, other people post pictures of trees. Some people post pictures of a beach. Some people post pictures of a sunset. Why do you post a lot of selfies?
Okay.
You think it's attractive to people?
Maybe. Hopefully.
If I see a wall of if I see a girl who her only thing on the wall is selfies, yeah, she might be an IG model, or she might be the kind of person I would never date. It's not saying anything about you. It's not saying anything about your life. Matter of fact, it says something like, you have the same picture, I have the same picture. What kind of value are giving with the Instagram? Now, you could say it like that, only do it for me. That doesn't make sense. You post it on Instagram for other people to see.
Yeah, for sure.
These are the kind of questions I want you to ask yourself. I want you to ask yourself the kind of questions that are, why am I doing the things I'm doing? And then you ask questions about that, and then you realize, shit, okay, this is actually not really me. This is what society made me think I should do, and it actually hinders me from being the full me. That was prophetic. I don't know if you realized that shit, man. Do you understand? I'm trying to help you. This is not me like getting at you. I'm trying to help you.
Yeah, no, I get you, man. I get you.
So now here's the thing.
Yeah.
If you just want to do this for yourself and you're really excited about it, but I don't think that's your intention.
No.
Because if so, you could just do an Instagram for all your family members and your closest friends, and then you can post that's what you do on Snapchat, right? That's what Snapchat is here for. Using Instagram for Snapchat. Every tool, Instagram is there for a certain thing. Instagram is clearly there for people to either have a business or show their life, show who they are. I mean, what am I doing on my Instagram? I'm posting the most amazing videos that give the most amazing inspirations to me and other people, right? So people are like, yo, I love your Instagram. I don't care what people think. Actually, what I do is I post what inspires me. I don't ask anybody else, and I don't think, oh, is this going to be successful? I do something that inspires me. I think of something that inspires me. Then I do something that inspires me. Then I post something that inspires me. I'm starting here because life is connected, okay? How you are anywhere, that's how you are everywhere. Except of some things sometimes we have slip-ups, we make mistakes. That's like we're humans, right? We can't be perfect, right? I want you to have fun with this. I want you to have fun with finding out why you're doing the things you're doing. And I want an answer now. A good one, an authentic one, an honest one.
Okay. For the Instagram?
Yes. Why are you posting the picture you're posting?
Sounds good. Okay. So I joined modeling not too long ago. Nice. So I have to be active. And my thought process was really like, well, I'm a model. I'm promoting me. I should be posting me. And that's just about where I left it.
Okay, so let me stop you here. Yeah, that's a great intention. I love that intention. If your excitement is following modeling, if that's your true excitement, I want you to keep doing that, and that's perfect. And that might be just a process that you're doing right now that actually gets you there. And your excitement, following your excitement, also might have brought you to me, where I'm telling you, you can do better. You don't have to do the same selfie after the same selfie. You can have a family member take a picture of you being outside there, modeling there, having a new outfit there, having this there. I'm not telling you something right now, the theory of relativity of Einstein, which is easy too. I can explain that you easily too. Here we go. The theory of relativity of Einstein, best explained, most easily explained in the movie Into the Blue by LL Cool J. If you touch a hot stove, a second will feel like an hour. If you have a hot girl in your arm, an hour will feel like a second.
Relativity. What do you mean? Einstein's theory of relativity. Grab hold of a hot pan, a second can seem like an hour. Put your hands on a hot woman, an hour can seem like a second. It's all relative.
Like that?
I like that.
The movie is really good. I love LL Cool J. Don't worry, I'm coming to your thing, but attractiveness is everything. Do you understand that? And social media nowadays is something what girls look at. And social media is a representation of your life. So what I talked to Caesar, have you seen my YouTube? You must know Caesar. What I told him is, this is how you can get your ex back. You can get your ex back if you, on your Snapchat or on your Instagram, follow your excitement and post your exciting things. And he was like, I want to start a YouTube channel. And I was like, let your brother film you while you're doing a YouTube video and post it on Instagram, because that's following your excitement. That's following your purpose. That's following what you want. That's very attractive. You're expressing your passion on Instagram. That's what should Instagram be there for. You're expressing your passion on Instagram. I want you to just keep following your excitement. But I want to see if that's really your excitement or that's a different intention. And I think you know the answer. Maybe you don't want to give me the answer right now, which is completely fine. Okay? I just want you to ask yourself the question, because Instagram is a big part of what people see from you. And then you might want to show, like, I don't want to say you want to show, because I don't want you to show. I want you to just put your excitements out, because your excitements are actually what makes you clear, what other people be like, oh, that's that person. That person loves swimming. That person loves meditating. That person loves making funny videos.
Yes?
Excuse me. Let me speak out. Okay, thank you. That person loves modeling. That person loves horseback riding. That person loves to hang out with their friends. That person loves to go to the movie.
That's gonna make the fucking difference between winning and losing.
It's like that person loves to run track. That person loves to run 100 meters. That person loves to lift weights. That person loves Marvel movies.
Wakanda forever!
You see? Someone posts all of that. The girl looks, she's like, damn, I want to date that guy, of course. Who doesn't love Marvel? Who's not
Captain? Big fan of Spider-Man?
Yeah, we'll talk about it later.
not athletic, has amazing friends, has girls all around them at parties? This is amazing. Let me get with that guy.
Like, it's hard to accept the fact that I gotta be the one that has to pull back for her to, like, go in, you know what I mean?
Bitch, she's pulling back. She's been pulling back.
Yeah, no, that's true.
And now you have moral issues about yourself pulling back? That's here. No, shut up for a second. That's the problem with guys. This is the problem with guys. You guys are raised to be so nice by women and dads, to be so nice and so morally right. And these girls are literally playing with you. I'm a king.